In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up notification messages within the system. So let's navigate over to our Messenger by clicking on Messenger over here on the left-hand side. And I'm going to navigate to notifications. Now, notifications are messages that are going to be sent out in response to actions that are taken within the system. So let's go with the example of sending a new order email. And this is going to happen in response to someone placing a new order. So I'm going to come here and add my first message. And I'm going to call this new order. I'm then going to select the type, which is an email, and then I would select my category. And here I can choose orders, tickets, or users. And this is going to help the system understand what needs to happen when a specific action happens within the system. So I'm going to select orders from that dropdown, and then I'm going to select the trigger. And you'll see I have a bunch of different triggers here. I'm going to select the new order trigger for this example. I'm then going to go ahead and hit save. So then I would build out my email the same way I usually do. So adding my details and my subject, and I'm going to call this order number. And I'm going to come back to that in just a second. And then I'm going to click on the template that I would like to use. And now I'm going to customize this email a little bit because this is an order number, well, a new order notification. I do want to add some information regarding that specific order. So I'm going to say thanks. Did I say thanks? Yep. Well, we've got interesting formatting there. There we go. Okay. Thanks for order number. And now this is where I'm going to add that order number merge tag. So I'm going to come here to my merge tags on the bottom right hand side, and I'm going to come here to order, and I'm going to select order number. That is then going to add that order number to this message. And I can also go ahead and copy that merge tag, and I can paste it here in my subject line. So that order number is going to be sent out in the subject line as well. And I can also go ahead and add the details for this order to this email. You can view your order details here. And I can again go here to my merge tags, and this time I'm going to go to special links, and I would select my order link. So that is then going to allow them to access the information about this particular order here within the email. All right, so now that I am happy with the way that I have customized this email, I'm going to hit next, and then again, it's going to choose your recipients. And this is going to not be customizable because it is set to a specific trigger, which is the new order. But you can go ahead and add filters. So if you have specific products within your system and you want to set up a specific order notification for a specific product, you would be able to do that. You would be able to come into your filters, choose a specific product from your catalog, and then choose the conditions, so orders that contain the specific product. I don't have any products, but this is an example of how you could use filters. Again, I'm going to go into more detail on filters in a future video, but this is just a little quick breakdown of how you can use filters to filter specific notifications. So if you have a specific order for a specific product being placed and you want to send out a customized notification for that, that is where filters are going to come into play. But you will not be able to change the trigger at this point in the email. You would then hit next and confirm that notification. You can go ahead and activate it, confirm, and now anytime someone places a new order in the system, they will be sent this new order notification. So that is how you can create notifications here within the system. In the next video, I am going to show you how to set up sequence emails. I'll see you there.